Kenyam be Ramukujak by Churlar Yi and Galwat that. Message a message Michel along could go to Yirame Jagge. The Marcanene cocaine don't be able to late because you believe. Quid and Barak Qui Guanadaro. Barak Guanadaro. I can't call go to Baraka Wale. And Barak Queen of content in what do you can. They are what do you can, especially in what do you can go long and another. Janara cocaine, but I would do you can carry on cocaine, but then Barak the long cook and Guadaro. Long and another. And Barak Kamajame, Ballad Godanjo. While the young ballad Kamindila, and they called him down to the long go to Medicala in honor. So they saw can worry, can sauce in the cocaine, correct my your bound of like a sauce in the cocaine. Knowing that East Africa did the road boy. To Kenya, get a woman of Kenya in Africa. Especially on the road going to Hagambe. Around the Dian Banyo, a lot Canadian corner to diaspora. Came Talar, Talar Regiment, Waga Live, came a sing down. I wonder corner at this place, then I do Dorican, then Tira Bark or Nakaket. She got a bark one of the corn in Dega would take in. Canadian kiro bar along to temple the taro. Ka God, can a man, Canadian corner take a disability, and then take a what the bump to the boom, and insure, Canadian dwayne, Canadian dong. They tall, the Tidian along and another, she have been a long, don't you been about a road boom. She have been about a road boom, then it's one and a nine, you go one and a nine, within what a day. And when they could let him young year Bakamu, only in Jenaka, or General Child this place. And they got you, would they in a lot of Yen corner there with it, and I don't let them tandu, the tanduna, Quelao, Lana Morkan, Lana Reke, door. Canamende the lot, Quigo, the guard in the can and can wang, the mountain can wang, the tiger, the don't and she take, the two whitey wooden, they take in their gun. Any they take in their can. And I mean, I'm wrong in their con. General Mataka Gambella, Ketaka Burby, Keta a cocaine, then con. Sharika Mukan and the Latamu. Ko Brami tell Missy Taja. But tell Miss Amandina or Quen. So Quen Academy Dinijan. Can all one the Teleton take it to one of Kenny Trogger. The don't base the being the simple telegram. The drain on it in Ajak and she cop to the wasn't contact. I don't call Lanaquida. Lanaquidan, she in the thing. Try when you go near the corner to one and a nun. She named the R, he can get to the other again. More the young captain in the corner to adapt. Try recommended a lot in point of Queen and Kunator to about. Go can Pankin. I can take it to do. I can take it to do. Nor again, Moy, which I'm can. Jagarodun Gaja, you and then. Jagarodun Gaja, you and then, Meteri some guard cooker. Darker, my guard, needed to read to tell the don't turn into a one, a damn. Ke don't tell the guard to tell the care to look at. So, you're the commander and a comker. I like we do. Let the mission make a corner lot. Ke Ronde Karun K 2023. Ko me she kun ke dap. She gesisli ke gambele. She go tell she can mat gwa ke dul ko. She ke ta yin she can ko. She ke chwala bel ke na ko. Ya kan dom ni te kon te what te te. Yo ro mo yu ku bu nan ke. Chwa mo shen mo chwala. Ala wala de mo alan mo go along ke che rong ko on ke rong gwa dan do rade. Mane te mo bo. Yene to mi ke yen dul ko. De yen te dun mat gwa ke. The yen motor, the yen lad, the yen lad. Cogian bell, the yen a cock, Cogino Patani, the yen a cock, Cogino of Sainabo, Cotan and Butter, Corolan take a year, de yen ko ka go yen go bia kong the wall ka quick job mo me jalo de yen la atara ran le society dan mitabang atamala de ka kwinen ko no this place ko de ngi ga ke de den ko le dan ko ne de alde wan ti tin le ni mo ngi ajana de go de la ri yen ko no de pay special ne ko road boy ko tiang ne ke yo yen de ko no ko yen ne Kenya ke de ko no ko mara tedun gwa kelbo lo ne road boy ko ba ne ji jento ya wo do ri ke to ba mo ki mi dan de wo yu ke to la de mo la ne ko ndia ba cha da ram ke no mo go de ko de la ri ndia ko de ko la ko ne ko nda ten ti ben western world ten ta ka Canada ten ta ka Australia ten ta ka Europe ten ta ka America ko no ko ke purple mi che mi to it want you to me to ke 2013 ke to ke me ki to bo me bo ko ke me ko ko no bala me ko mala be me ko junu Sudan ke 205 bo tana belatin ko che man ko ki ko lo ko na de jana mi morto atem me di de me ki bele our and ran our we ran and ran ko kondia and all you get to ka na sare kan tell me can my wood at least I like longochuk ko lang now ka pandak ka koba ka gwadian kon to kontin ay dan kondia ko ya gwan mi lor teme se bu lor gwa wo ben sa gwan lor teme se bu lor gwa wo ben to ko re dan kondia general mi ngot right kan to ra ga government di lat mu kuje katira so la dana nam kon jira e wo bana ne kon bana ne di ro barti mo ne ko kon mo ne mi tam jangro dan ke UN den ala UN a nation it is already united ka country in the already united tumne di medum ti do ro lo mat gwa ke be ke ne di chut be ke ko lo chana nga long lo United States of America la to be yodu one come to America me yodu one ge no when che ku yu go man yo ken ke one population there a wo ke ne te ka America yo ken yo pin ku ga mi no mo kon chat te ka America yo kon yo pin ku ne ko ni chut la ga yo ma ke yo ko no mun ku me ke do yo one ala don na ndi ni jana long bi mo individual ran la jin atame me gwaji ten for yo ka America alilimi ne ni one organization to one thing jag yo one jag kan ka individual ye ka ran ka yo to ka yo wel ka jara ka kor me shoro de mat gwa ken la ka one long len kan yo one to gwa ken ai na kon number an me a ci la number ba ka ko ka reason ko ba kon me on no ko role me ko break ti sere ga ti bi ga ben to ta ne wane kamo to ta ne wane me wane tin din la pa na galat rega ti daran jaga reg mu ga go to kon jaga to kon go me ko men bana lel bana rola men dam amatel mi chamne me de lu go ku kon de ne lo ko de kon da ja de kon la ku kon kanele kon ya displace generation the Tegabur Bay to almost 40,000 Jagan what you've been already. You're not going to go ken. And you can Michigo in a local Luguakel. A bigger Barguada or Robertson. Trying to live over UN Ben, the Bagabalo. Co UN town is a Missalaria, UN a con. UN and around con a UN. So they're con money should do that. Then a child community, then a child organization maternal, then a child organization maternal. There are UN done. So there one there long. They're going to get regret. And I say, Jane come now. Jolie Daniel Cholera and down to God. Can I make the tell welcome. Tell welcome, Miss Agacock, Chaganang, they need to take a can, they're in the car. Then well, government their corner. I wish you take a bot the Mr. the Jug book and a target. They're calling on roll. When they con a lot, they con roll while they con a lot. And you call a con, Michana Quinn can do one Michana lot. They wander and you within a temporary period and on their catch. You need a con and thin medan la patani kene malai ni la ka lat ke pinyi ne be bula tia ka war koike ke sandar beletke kwela la ka la ke mission mo ye we mi se tetani ana se tetani ke se tetani lu sai de ke ni kon tek panken ye ne runi kana paida ka dong se te rik de ke lo kan ni ro de ne la ne ti kon ne ti de ya la ye ne to widun de yoro dun mo ke program de yoro dun mo ram kel mo len kun mi ci kon ngak la ke level of no community de kon la bo ke level of community base ko jala la ke je jur dia me se to ko ne yo me mar tu kan la lan ni jan me se to ko ne ko le botanies tu kan mi jan me la me to bo somalia no tu kan mi jan la me to bo ke ethiopia tu kan mi jan mo tu kan la me se to ko eritrea you can mission no you can la any community mission ben role me pe che yak ben jat boren la ga chung ke ma le ken ben wana ko o chi ben wana chi ta ga bang to ta ji to ram chi do sile ni ga bang e o don ki ko chi bang ke la to be ken jan ke ne dia a dong wale di ben di na de di be lok ram bo dong de yi lo lok bo ko ne a ne kon mo ran ke program ni kon no ko re ke ti me che kon me le ku den ti kon ti be kon dak any himare long himane da yen as a family to en ro dun en wo ngudi yen la do ke jo ngudi yen la ka pai ke queen en ko ne chu me cha wan wa mo de yen me di de yen lo chale be le chale ko ne da ke de yen chale ko de yen de ne ko de yen me le de yen la do amanu wo UN mi te ke UN de da ne to da lo ka yo bo che lo te we mi shi ro lo ke je na de ro lo kwa na de den chwana ka belle ko mi chi ko to go do ren chwana ka me belle mu shi ro bar ra la ra bar mi mi li we ran mi na ka je che ne na ka dule ni ra ta to je mai be pen wi du mi chi ka ni te ki ro ko bar da do yi mu ki li o don jan la ta na de it's in hard day and one in the draw. And the gen of my appeal in them here. I need near con long ago. Can let them in a lot of con. A time right corner, Doran she get a major wobber, Daran. Kerrigan ring with a plan to take. That plan to take over conjack. Did call. Muguja now, Kutan Taja. Miss Annabelle let her go out of talk. Brahmana had a plan to remember win. Ko plan la ya contract la ya gam the plan to den we tell them like kwide ko ba ko la gam la when ramadan de plan time can come to chucho ka kan dia when they come la ka kuma na chucho long ka kon na camera ga uganda bo ni ko we chucho bo ko kon camera road bu na when chucho ka kon camera sudan na chucho dia ne na ka pedan ka kon enara amane ne ko na je bu chuke tala gwami sine kon chuchen magara te libyo bo te yo bar ko gol mu de kan te ge chuke bo gwana de ge chu ko no lo lo ke dia no kwela o mis malo ben chang se malo ben dara ga de don't be damate bo te but in time me tanda sine de ne ka lo ke man te kon de ramade ting now de ne te de ne ga as we speak now okay. As we speak now, they don't take around and they take dinner. Cody, then a lot can quick and then a long now. General college, when no be, then a long gang, and they take. A manner which he transitions to open cake, whatever over it. So my appeal in them, a quicker go near convent church, trying to leave you in. Trying to joke and tell you, try to joke, we are going with the old youth. And a land of Cornell quality one. And that you road boon you can talk, Macon and Rabana you go. So, Master German, agent queen. Master Gerode, a queen dark by your pain. Queen lara by your pain. Ka Wulang and another come a local long chubo, like they did your painting. And can in long chain in the social media, and I'm carrying the Shiriak and Quenamo. Come in Korea, Quenamo. Ngai de ko ko no bi di an che to la chen ta ka problem ko an chen pa ka chen เช่น World Food Program เช่นเดือนละWorld Food Program คนทุกคนน่าต้องได้ละสิงั้นจะเป็นพวก NGOs งั้นจะเลิกก็แค่ mandate เดียวไอ้น้องแค่นี้น้องรู้ได้ถึงหนักได้ก็ถึง but ไอ้คน program มันได้เนี่ยมันถึงวุฒิอะไรอยู่เวลามาสักเลยไอ้คนอยู่เวลามาสักเลยit wouldn't be his South Sudan to control as we speak South Sudan which you wear them seven kan any corner ten like to the other one I know okay come out from the corner no ka you and now ka ka long to serve to one serve your South Sudan but do Uganda changani Kenya chaka nang sen long kan Ethiopia but she can kwan ke chi lo wang tong but created one but Uganda ko kel come knock you wear it and it will be South Sudan but a crisis te jamo ko be kwan South Sudan be yo South Sudan be kuare South Sudan in South Sudan ya be ko ra je kel ketin ko na go but then take a mugwe when you go and go be Jesus be control jaga de yo no work to go off go be a lot de ni one along wo la de and go in Geneva Sudan here I'm kel kan ni ko elaborate it's a lamade to daga ka Geneva Sudan lono de ko re de gorgite ramme se no bia ko re de gorbe kan de jogbo jene ba mo gorje ke de na ba mo gorje kan ni ko ke je be te ne la je de ka gorwe ba ka ja bi jene atam right corner you wear masabe ni take a program to one ka Geneva Sudan to go go the oil down there walk a dog like it go the one with much room the jada Latin get the Latin cocaine get the oil set but one the cocaine take it to go and one again quick South Sudan quick go to bear control cocaine like economic South Sudan go to the here town Niji Uganda can con and bar one can cock Binam yet, being in you and Munikan, be to the other of the Ganalaka. Go to Obo, their politics of Sudan be control, and other religious South Sudan. Their military South Sudan be control. Again, she dear Jaco and Abilu. What I'm a gaps of the Katega land South Sudan, wage a tell him Kuji, tell him Jagger and would Liad Jaggy Bay. Mendo you wear Museveni. Aram kel mi chi involved ka rekin jangna ka Geneva Sudan. Kana we rekin kon jangna ka East Africa under there. 1994 genocide ye to Rwanda. There tatin. Ko kwate liu go kwid. Kan kwara na na kula ta Rwanda as we speak. Those are in. Allah da medan, Allah da chip of defense kaje. Ka choice ka lende. What jen ka Congo ka Zaire me kula me chola kabila ajene we jaba wo ko jene kana ne loide kana la that ma shuguru we bi jenge ajene kula mo ke korum kula da Rwanda ka Congo ma we speak ne de mona Congo chi bilu ko kwigo di go ni men ta ka pin mon ka Congo men go pin mon ka Congo ajene go de bakan ajike Congo cha go The Congo is Lu and Nisha. As we speak, Congo is the second largest refugees now behind Sudanese, living in Somalian. Come not take a mission more, and you wear Masabi. You wear Masabi in the book involved, Kone Liagarang, Lagayete Tetin, Kakone Kone, Liagarang, he shattered out and take Liagarang. Can't tell me, I didn't call me the region of Sudan, but you again, but you're a go right then. I didn't know that can do it. Conade like the lorry, no more jaggy, like we can do it. Share them a chagger. Money no the corn but to take a can. To take a jacket. Chicken and knock there, you know, Sudan, they're getting away. We can, you know, Sudan, you can't lose it. You want to call losing. You want to call losing. You can't be losing, a man, God can't be losing. Away down, con colonize no one. Made a con kill the love. no wal kan kan Sudan kan control ki Turkish ki Ottoman Empire kan Egypt chu kon chen je ja ko le nyo chen je bo Burundi mane me ki Sudan je le ben kon le chen je me chana free as we speak now I chana free there are the there are nyo je bo kon nyo colonize I chana take way down and no more de jogi chi to come me while I hear talk come be bomb me bomb down be why you winner bomb me bomb down you we gan ka wa to the nin got to the nin come on again we go to begin like that could you york got to see what can here name corn in ten man ka on ka god can in law the quality ka cha long you know never random like this you know me go ni ne ta ka mai ti we can in con ta mai ti go dwa ni ka mai I want na god kan man I want na ne ta to ji mo go wa I want dwa mai go ma cha ene go ma cha da dwa tin and no more Rama more point there you know no kun do ko nyo kami kana ji dan mai kana je pai lu kana ne kon ngaji kana bi kana da ne ti lu kana ji te ke and the general je kun mo she talk World Food Program a program go but kun ko ro bu kun ko ro bu na ko Uganda ko storage te ka you no kun ke Uganda so when I know road boy, me bangaji when I'm more than look at it. Go by now, I can't tell me to let go because take it. Shamisha no said I allow with it. But that told you was Sudan, they let you wear Museveni, catch a tell Amade of the same woman to speak. Contra me to con woman, the joy is a Ramal dear get it out of there. So Kono, I ain't in Shimari, I see any tea, Madajagan cocaine to none. Lara ye kun mo chum be lu goru kun ka gar kun ka goru kun gwarde kun mo I ci kon goru bareka me kun mi lo kun yu an to kun yu an to a te we ma bangaje rewu man den kun ba yor pe woni ba yor pe woni kan ne kon ci ben ci ne kon ba ka ma ka ta ka mission mi jala ka mission ne no bi na loren because neither con te ga ka became the gor became the design ke became the nak became the design ke became the nak so when they get thina they get ko kwa they get ko kwa when they get thina they ko they get ko mi relationship ne to ko they la na ka jagwa men they can men go can they can ka ga de te ga na ka to tell them the lawyer test ko ide man de bla de jek ke the lawyer test ko de nyman de bla de jek check am la re go ne di sin la de jek mo de la ka ba la me le de mo ka je jinake mi da ko no go jina mo si mi jek kwa je mo de de go jek kwa je mo de de ko no go jek je ne la de ita ga ne ji ko to and I remember I was a young boy, 1985. I think it was 1985. You called me saying about your talk, Kato, with your nation, capable. Go take a wood, me pie quen, me gualen, cha chede, cha chideni shika ben dollar teleton. May check bena, check the thing can a month today. Taken jam, to wood take to your drill. When I would try to do it, she never called it the initial ben more, get time done. Corium actually. When she can a corium, she can go to Quen, go to Dell, go to Ring, Jack come Quen, Jack come to the eye. You can go to the new Run Mentabon, Run Bell, the deck of the new car. She mandate, Mantu. Check Yam told him it's a walk an hour. Because she was a little guy. I mandate you should go, she wanted it. Sure. I want to check it on. So I know you were told. When Garaji were told, where they come over until she wouldn't undo a J. Care or in Yaleka. The money in your J. will call it. I got a heavy show car, a cannon show on your guard. So I'll come near Captain. Kapin wa kapin, human didn't dance to work. One man didn't work again. You got a care drill, got to take a mind missing a drill. A sanction should be large. I'm a net history of a bell. You can't mind the machine drill. You can't got a pelka, garden of break and the al. Take a chicken drill. You got a con you about. Trying to call it for me and look bored no more. I tell me the belly Ramanana Barana and she all shed. Quite the belly in the corner, why, Shem chicken Sadika. What kind of copy, Michel one? No pie double. I say, me, what is anyway. It's 3 years to all my life, and never could made out at an outdoor. They will let me select the show. You're not correct. Come along, cannot you can like a jacket, a child. Come back, go to good, you wouldn't need any con like a Michel no more. That's a sight of me, they're going to go to fit. Con they're going to jang jam. I like Jendi, the jug of your junk, Niji, co ensemble and the jang, la denka. La den go con worry. They're going to jang in to jang to jang would be you wear my seven. Con you wear my seven now, a general go, a general home sauce done as we speak. You is African, the I think it's one edit and I'm joking. Don't tell woman be shit in a different story. Don't that other than 10th century mention, don't that different story. But now the Dotska country look at home again. He rather ya, the runner of survive. Congo jare digo mteteno. They done. Sudan but take a tetin ko jenita dejinan yin Sudan tetin medicine. Take a tet can and go on with the action is Africa. I then wouldn't done and wake on a lament or Mugo. Menu now, they and a go with it, Ramachan no more. I then I'm a number of Quen, they pay Bopon. I then a large Quen Mogo, I shall look. Ran sa liu ko che da bang. Ran di ne bang mo mi shama ko gwa skadi mi shama bi di lo je. Mi ma ji mi de jina kan me ngwana wo shi da ka. En cha oppose kwenamo, ne kwenamo. Mi UN go ngada UN ko en la da agencies ne bo. Ngada UN gweje institution mo go World Food Program go but gwa la je kwen gelatin. He can put the bell. Ka she kan let chwa gwa let kin ne. Chang Malakan can test bo, go take looking at test randomly. Baga test it today, but they are testable, take it up and for the they can test. I need Raman one tarot, Raman Nuggy. Changing them near the Quen, a Bukwen ever go. Medan to Sudan, Keta Medan, yes, to World Food Program, I come authority, a Kuma Sudan, come Bukwen Benu. Tam Medan chatting into Royal. He entered luck at the internal child in Medan. You know, dwell now go cop, dwell now go win more. Tell me, Chinala dwell win more, you know, dwell cop. Bramad Mende go can be go legend. And the Javan and the Gorudi Ladi, and Ian Quenamo go long and their con, me don't a catchilu with Dunquan. Me don't quan the Jelly and then Anna go bow, Chama Quanda then I learn. Long and their con Quen. Landatin Condia. Go Quen a pin with the lady, the shoot, you know. Conne de con Bob. And long and their con Quen. And around Dore, a poor gambler there, Queen and cocaine. Conne tea tandy until a native mark, a one and cocaine. Don't tell you on Old Boon, don't tell you on East Africa and again, don't tell you on America, Canada, Australia, tell them a boy and will go broad. Round there, Rami, Shiji, can I con it? I can con do reject of Methodist and mother, like a water. Money, you need the sauce done, but Rocket. Rogamate way with the loggy. Conne and Nekun, can never con the other care. And a lot of language I could talk, and Lorraine Jacob, picture like you. Any like down a man, land thing to do to one. Land thing to do to one, go more corner let the talk, a guade. Banna take Bane Barari. The now Baragama baby. And now Baragama baby, Millet Michel Dun Capcale, Kachanta Dun Capcale. Canadian Millet. Where the Jerry go to the land, but no, what in America. For those of you who can only understand English, my call is only for two things. Number one, I'm appealing to all people I'm appealing to you individually. I'm appealing to you as an organization that South Sudanese, especially from the Nuer community, who have been displaced, they've been displaced from their home. Most of them survived from genocides, from bombings that have been randomly and discriminatively been dropped on them, especially at night time. Some of them were children, some of them are elderly people, and some of them are actually disabled people. Those who actually managed to escape the killing have now gathered themselves at the border. But they are suffering because they have left everything that they had and they cannot go back. So our appeal is that if there's anything you can do, it doesn't matter how much, if there's anything you can do, you can find someone within your community, within the locality of where you are, to please support them. You do not have to be a Nuer. You do not even have to be a Sudanese. You do not even have to be a South Sudanese. You have to be a human with a human heart. Somebody who can stand for the people who cannot stand on themselves. So if you can contribute and you don't know how to contribute, just click. Send me a message. I will tell you where exactly you can contact, who you can contact to reach your support to a designated group of people. People are now at the border. Some of them have been there now for almost 2 months. Children with no any means of survival. There is also an outbreak of cholera, which also added to what is already happening to these people. There's no shelter, there's no warm clothes, and also the mosquito net is also spreading. Disease is actually spreading, and many of them are dying as a result of that. So we are asking you to do whatever you could. If you live in East Africa, especially if you live in Ethiopia, you can join those peace group, a community organization, and probably reach out to them. They will direct you on how to get the services to the people that they need. If you live in the East and Western world, in America, Canada, Australia, there are also a number of South Sudanese, especially from the North tribe, who know where you can directly send your contribution. We wanted to call on this because it's an urgency, it's an emergency, and it's an assistance that is needed, and it is needed now. The other things that I also talk about is I talk about a food distribution that were allegedly say that the World Food Program, and of course if there are World Food Program people on this network, please hear me clear, hear me what I am saying and why I'm saying this. I honestly trust what you guys do. I also believe that you guys are for a good reason. You are also for care. You have been an extraordinary, trustworthy institution. But this time around, things are different. Most of the food that are now stored in South Sudan come from Uganda. And if I'm wrong, tell me where else you guys buy food. Where else do you buy food? I know South Sudanese are not producing food. So I know there used to be some food coming from Kenya, but I believe most of the food that you are defending on now come from the border of Uganda. And what is happening in South Sudan now is a Ugandan making crisis. This crisis is a made-up crisis for extermination of Nuer tribe, particularly by the Ugandan president, Yoweri Museveni. It is a Yoweri Museveni project to clean out the land and leave nobody alive. If the purpose is to chase people around away or kill them, what is the better way than using food for the easy way to kill them? So we are not just becoming anything of fear, but we are telling you this is the guy who had sent a gas chemical to genocide, to gas children and women at night time while they are in bed sleeping. Imagine that. Imagine you are sleeping at night. You are a civilian in a hut or a small tukul, and the bomb is pouring on you while you sleep. Can that person again, if you survive, and of course you might be the only one to survive among the rest of your family, if you survive, can that person again serve you with the food, and will you feel okay that this food makes sense and you can take it? I mean, imagine this. So this is the dilemma that we're in. So the project that Juba has is the Yoweri Museveni project. And we know for sure why that happened in Nasser and why it's Nur in particular. Now, it is becoming a genocide because if you look at this, at what is happening, they're trying to make this a Denka and a Nuer crisis or a Nuer versus other South Sudanese tribe. Because the South Sudan Defense Force refused to fight the war, and now what is the next strategy? Next strategy is to use three approach. Number one, arm the civilian, so the civilian will fight with the civilian. If you randomly bomb every civilian member and arming the civilian of the other tribe to come and fight with the other tribe, it's a genocide by itself. It's a genocide. That's exactly the genocide. So because when the civilian who are not trained come and fight the other people, they will kill anything that they see alive. And that would be it. So the next move is bring them food. Those who survive the genociding clinic. You bring them food, and when you bring them food and if they eat that food, then it may not kill them immediately. So some poisoning chemical can take maybe even a year or two, but you will die, basically, as a result of that. So we are, and now we're questioning the fact that the UN, the UN and the UNIMIS, and as well as the rest of the others, UN agencies, are allowing the government to utilize their own materials. They're using aircraft for, to fly the military with their weapon to a distant area. That happened a few days ago. And then, of course, what else could they not do? So with that reason, we are not saying the World Food Program cannot deliver food to the people that are great in need. These people are in great need, and they will need your support. But go ahead and buy food in Ethiopia. Go ahead and buy food in Ethiopia, drop it on them. Right now, those who are in the border to Ethiopia, they are in bigger need than mostly those who are still in South Sudan. They will need assistance. Go to Ethiopia, buy food and drop it to them if the processes of resettlement has not yet completed. Because of course, going to another country sometimes takes processes of registration and et cetera, et cetera. But people don't have to wait for that long. They don't have to wait for 2 months to be registered. If you are displaced, there has to be some response from the reasonable organization like World Food Program. I would say go ahead and do that and help them make that thing happen.